Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to unbox and review the Kingstar portable hanging neck warmer. When you open the box, you'll get a user manual, USB charging cable, and neck warmer. This mini electric heater can be hung around your neck and heated when you are cold. The neck warmer fits everyone as its stretchable fabric makes it comfortable. The neck warmer is easy to wear and is available in various colors. Can be used by anyone including kids, adults, and women. It can be charged via USB Type-C and it can be used as a power bank to charge your phone. The neck warmer is lightweight, making it very easy to carry. This portable neck warmer is perfect for keeping warm in the winter. You can feel the warmth immediately on your neck. I find it comfortable and lightweight. It can be used at home, in the office, and for sports outside. Using this portable neck warmer is easy. Just slip it over your neck. Press button longly for 5 seconds. It will display the default temperature of 40 degrees Celsius. There are 4 heat levels available when you press the switch. It can be used as a power bank to charge your phone.